Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you are keeping well. Today, we are going to see the second chapter from our subject Friday afternoon. Name of the chapter is Building the Taj, means Taj Mahal. I am going to read line by line. After each paragraph, I will explain. Okay. Early one morning, an earthquake rocked Agra. It was severe, and the tremors sent waves of panic through the town. There was great concern all over, not so much for life and property or for the fort, which had survived earlier earthquakes without any damage. The concern was for the newly built, near complete Taj Mahal. So this is one of the incident which talks about the great building Taj Mahal. So there was an earthquake in Agra. All the people of Agra, they were worried. They were worried not for the property, not for life, not for anything else, but for the newly built the Taj Mahal. There was also fort which uh, which survived beside many earthquakes. People were never worried about the fort also, but they worried about the newly built Taj Mahal. So let us go ahead. After several hours of close examination, the Taj was declared to be safe. There was no damage done. But for a long time, people stood on the bank of the Jamuna, talking in whispers of what might have happened. Said one noble, the Jamuna does sometimes go into a flood, and the Jamuna in flood is no friend to man. It was a great risk building the Taj on a river bank, on ground that is soft and sandy. So after the earthquake, there was examination how the new construction, new building Taj Mahal. Is there anything happened? So many officers, they went into Taj Mahal, the new building, and they examined, is there anything happened? Any cracks, any damage has happened to this new building? After many hours of examination, then they declare that there is no any damage. There is no damage in the new building Taj Mahal. But people of Agra, they were standing in the beside of the river, in the outside of the building, and many people were talking among themselves. What might have happened? It is foolish that to construct such a huge building near to the river of Jamuna. There was a river called Jamuna. Near to that river, in the bank of the river Jamuna, the great building, the Taj Mahal, is built. So people were talking, it is rubbish, it is foolish to construct such a huge building in the bank of the river of Jamuna, because there are many floods, so much water come inside and damages so many things. When the flood comes, it never ceases. It is indirectly mentioned. It is no friend to man, which means normally the river is so calm, but when the flood comes, it never ceases. He is a friend. He is a man. Rather, it damages everything, either people or the building. It never ceases. So therefore, people were talking like this. But and also it is softy land and then sandy land too. And that's the reason why people were saying that to construct Taj Mahal in the river bank of the river Jamuna is foolish. But what had happened? How the how the Taj Mahal is built? Let's go in deep and see how they constructed the such a huge building in the river bank of Jamuna. Then a man who knew the facts spoke up and set fears at rest. So there was a one man among the crowd who knows about the building, the Taj Mahal. Then he comes forward and explains how the great building Taj Mahal is constructed. After explanation, people, their worries, their fears went away. They were normal. So what he said, let's see. The builders of the Taj knew their job well. They built the foundations on a series of wells. The builders, the constructors of the Taj Mahal are the masons of the Taj Mahal, or the workers or the laborers of the Taj Mahal or the engineers of the Taj Mahal. They knew their job well. Therefore, what they did, they dug series of wells, which means underground wells. They have built so many wells under the under the building of Taj Mahal. The wells were dug as deep as 680 feet. So they made the solid rock that lay under the soil. So they dug the wells as deep as 680 feet. And all these wells were well protected, well constructed, well built under the building of Taj Mahal. Each well was filled to capacity with lime and rubble, and the space between two wells was packed with solid masonry. So each well is filled with so much lime and rubble. Rubble means waste of stones. And the space between two wells was packed with solid masonry. With solid construction, with solid stones, each well is constructed. Then each brick of this masonry was dipped in hot fat to make it waterproof for centuries to come. So each brick of the construction is waterproof. How it is waterproof? It is dipped in hot fat so that the construction, the building will stay for centuries. So that was the reason each brick is dipped in hot fat and constructed. Let the Jamuna rise, let the soil become soft and porous. So whatever may happen, let the flood come, all the soil becomes soft and porous. Porous means minute particles, more than softer than the sand. So let the Jamuna water come or the soil becomes soft. But the great building, the Taj Mahal, remain forever, because such is the construction. These solidly packed wells will take the water and bear the entire weight of the Taj Mahal. If the water rises from the river of Jamuna, the wells will consume the water, and all the weight of the Taj Mahal, the wells will they will bear the entire weight of the great building Taj Mahal. So such a way they have constructed the wells. The foundations are absolutely safe. So the foundations of the Taj Mahal are absolutely, is truly safe. The crowd heard him and dispersed slowly. Each man went his way, filled with wonder at the marvel that was the Taj Mahal. So each people, there was a crowd. So each of them went on their own way by listening the great wonders of the building Taj Mahal. So this is a very short and very interesting and very useful for all of us, especially to you children. So this is the short chapter and interesting chapter 2. So in a short, let me explain to you. This is about the great building Taj Mahal, how it is constructed. I will explain in short. So there was a earthquake, especially in Agra. People were worried about the new construction Taj Mahal because there were so many earthquakes and it is new construction. People never know about anything about Taj Mahal. So people were worried about Taj Mahal, what will happen. But after the earthquake, the engineers go inside and examine how the construction of Taj Mahal, is there any damage happened to Taj Mahal. Then they say that there is nothing happened. The earthquake did not give any damage to Taj Mahal. So people were surprised. And people were gathered outside of Taj Mahal and they were talking about the Taj Mahal, why they constructed, especially near to the bank of river Jamuna. And especially they were saying that it is foolish because it is a river, it is side by of the river Yamuna, and especially the sand is so soft and sandy. And if you construct any building, it will fall very quickly. So people were talking, it is foolish to construct such a huge building near to the bank of river Jamuna. And one among them, uh, one of the people from the crowd, he who knows about Taj Mahal, he comes forward and explains how the Taj Mahal, the great building, is constructed. Each person knows how important the great building, how important is the great building of Taj Mahal. So they did their job well, which means the engineer, he did his job. The constructor, he did his job well. So this was the uh, explanation given to the people, and especially the Taj Mahal. Under the great building of Taj Mahal, there were so many wells were constructed. Why these wells were constructed? When the water comes from the river of Jamuna, the wells will consume all the water. Then each brick of the well is constructed with is dipped in hot fat so that even any water or anything, earthquake, anything happens, this will remain forever. Such a strong building, such a way they have constructed the building. So, and each well is dug as deep as 680 feet. So, each well is dug as deep as 680 feet. Even the water comes from the river of Jamuna, all the water will be consumed by the well. and the whole building of Taj Mahal will be carried by these wells, by these foundations. So after listening to this great man, the people were so peaceful and they went on their own way, thinking that, oh, such a wonderful and marvelous construction, this building Taj Mahal. So this is a very interesting and short chapter story about the great building Taj Mahal. Now let's move to the question answers, which is very easy to all of you. Question number 1, write true or false. A, at the time of the earthquake, the Taj was an old building. It is a new building, therefore the answer is false. Question number B, the Taj was built away from the river of Jamuna. It is false because it is constructed in the river bank of Jamuna. The Jamuna in flood was dangerous. Yes, it is true. The builders of the Taj were good at their job. Yes, it is true. And question number 2, why were the people of Agra not worried about the fort? People of Agra were not worried about the fort because it has survived many earthquakes earlier. So they were not worried about the fort. Give 2 reasons why the people of Agra were worried about the Taj. There were so many reasons. One of the 2 reasons, let's see. What is the first reason is, this building is constructed on the river bank of Jamuna. And the land, the land is so soil and it is sandy. So therefore it is very risky. It is danger to construct such a huge building near to the river bank of Jamuna. So that was the worry of the people of Agra. How deep were the wells at the foundation of the Taj? The wells were dug as deep as 680 feet. Question number 5. How were the bricks in the foundation made waterproof? Waterproof, to make the bricks waterproof, what they did, they dipped the bricks in the hot fat so that the bricks will be waterproof, the building will be strong. And question number 6, why were the wells packed solidly? Why were the wells were packed solidly? These solidly packed wells will take the water and bear the weight of the Taj Mahal, bear the weight of the building of Taj Mahal. So that is why the walls were packed solidly. And question number 7, fill in the blanks with words from this list. The king had a series of wells dug for the villagers. Question number B, my mother was full of concern for me. The thief wrapped the diamond in waterproof cloth and dropped it in the tank. Radha filled her bucket of water to capacity. So this is the very easy chapter to all of you. And question number B, composition. So this is the homework to all of you. You should write in 5 sentences. Question is, the Taj Mahal is a marvelous. Do you agree or disagree? Write in 5 sentences. So what you should do? You should write on your own. If you agree that it is a marvelous building, then why it is marvelous building? If you don't believe, if you don't agree that it is a marvelous building, you should write these are the reasons why I say this is not a marvelous building. So this is a homework to all of you. You should give 5 reasons, 5 sentences. 5 full sentences or 5 points. You make it and send it to me in my personal number. Thank you and have a good time. See you in next chapter. Bye.